Case study, second question, real number. A seminar is being conducted by the educational organization where the participant will be educators of different subjects. The number of participants in Hindi, English, and mathematics are 60, 84, and 108 respectively. The participant in the end namakariya 60, 84, and 106. Hindi 60, English 84, and mathematics 108 participants. The first question is, in each room, the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being in the same subject. Hence, the maximum number of participants that can accommodate in each room. We wanted to find out the maximum number of participants. The condition is each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being the same subject. So we wanted to find out the maximum number, means we wanted to find out the highest common factor of these three numbers, 60, 84, and 108. You divided with the 2, the answer is 30, 42, and 54. And again we can divide it with the 2. It is 15, 21, and 27. 14, it is 7. Then we can again divide this all with the 3. Then 5, and in 21, 3 is 7 times, and 27 it is 9 times. And the HCF is only these numbers, product of these numbers only. So the HCF equal to 2 into 2 into 3, which is 4 into 3 become 12. So the answer is B. HCF of 60, 84, 108 is 12. And the second question is, what is the minimum number of rooms required during the event? We wanted to find out the minimum number of rooms. So the total participants is equal to 60 plus 84 plus 108. It is 12, 2 balance 1, 7, 15, 5 balance 1, 252. And if you distribute equally, the HCF is before we find out that HCF is 12. HCF is 12. So the number of rooms, equal to total participant divided by the highest common factor. So if you divide this one, we will get, if you cancel with the 2, it is 1, 2, 6 divided by 6. If you cancel with the 6, 6 in 12 2 times, in 6 1 time. So the answer is 21. So the minimum number of rooms required during the event is 21. And third question, LCM of 60, 84, and 108. To find out the LCM of 60, 84, and 108. can divide these numbers with 2, it become 30, 42, 58, sorry, 54. 54. Then again we can divide it by with the number by 2. It is 15, 21, and 27. Then we can divide this all with the number 3. It is 5. Then 21, 7 in 7 times. 3 into 7, 21, and 9 into 3. 7 into 3, 21, 9 into 3, 27. So the LCM is, what is LCM? LCM equal to product of these all numbers. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9. So we can multiply 2 into 5 becomes 10, and 2 into 3 becomes 6, and 7 into 9 becomes 63. So we can multiply 6 into 3, 18, 8 balance 1, 6 into 6, 36 plus 1, 37. If you multiply with the 10, we can substitute 1 0 here. So the answer is 3780. The answer is LCM of 60, 84, and 108 is 3780. And about the fourth question, the product of HCF and LCM of 60, 84, and 108. The product of HCF we already found out before, 3780. Product means into HCF. HCF is 12. Highest common factor 12, least common multiple 3780. The product of HCF and LCM of this number is equal to, we can easily multiply this with 3780 into 12. We can change it as 10 plus 2, right? So what about this value? 3780 into 10 is 37800. If you multiply with the 2, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 8, 16, 6, balance 1, 2 into 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, balance 1, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we had this all 0, 6, 13, 3, balance 1, 15, 5, balance 1 is 4. 45,360. 45,360 is the product of HCF and LCF. And about the fifth question is, 108 can be expressed in the 108 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. So we can divide 108 with it is an even number, so we can take 2, 54. Then again it is even number, 27. It is odd number. Sum of 2 and 7 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so we can divide with the 3. It is 9. And also again divide with the 3. So it is 2 in 2 times and 3 in 3 times. The 108 can be expressed in the product of prime factors, 2 square into 3 cube. So the first answer is 12, second answer 21, third answer 3780, and fourth one 44,360, and the fifth one 2 square into 3 cube. These are the answers.